You can access your online course one of two ways. You can access it with your order confirmation email by clicking on the hyperlink within it. The other way you can access the online course is by logging into ngwa.org. Once in, click on My Account in the upper right. Enter your email address and your password, and click on Login. It brings you to your profile page. Scroll down on the left menu bar and click on My Registration. Select the course you are registered for via the hyperlink just below the course title. It does take a few moments for it to load. Thank you for taking the time to view this brief tutorial.